Hi, is your induction motor burning most of the time and it is going for rewinding? Then there might be some issue with the relay which is used in the star delta connector. So today I am going to explain you how to set relay. So this is a relay. So it is noted that set relay at 0.06x normal motor current. So normal motor current is, that is the rated current in your motor. So then if I calculate 0.6 into 23 is my motor rated current, so it will be coming around 13.8. so I will set near to that. This is the place where you can set the relay current, so don't increase more than that these calculations. So when you set that current, so whenever there is a high current flow happens to your motor through this delta star delta connector, this relay will work. It will bypass the switch, it will switch off the motor. So that is how it is going to prevent your motor burning. So please take very crucial, this is a very crucial steps which you have to do it in your relay. So with that, see, now my motor is running. I have set it to nearly the calculated value, so and it is consuming around 18 amps, which is less than my rated current in my motor. So motor is working fine without any issue. So by when you do these settings, this avoids motor burning.